How to turn on public story and saved story notification on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to turn on this option. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys and you open your Snapchat. Then when your Snapchat is open and you go up and open your profile. Then when your profile is opening, you go here on settings and click. Then go to notification and click again, and then guys you will just go down and you will find an option who name it public story and saved story. You will turn on this option by clicking on this option or this icon like this, and it will work with you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.